What is JavaScript obfuscation and why is it a threat? Average was recently telling me that a web page was blocked because of JavaScript obfuscation. Why was the web page blocked and what exactly does that mean?
Obfuscation is a means of obscuring the real meaning and intent of your JavaScript code. Some sites use it as an obstacle to people who want to copy/borrow their code. Other sites use it as a means to hide the actual intention of the code. Some forms of obscuration. Automatically renaming variables to short meaningless names to make the code less readable and harder to understand. Removing all extra whitespace and line breaks so the code is one giant long line. Making parts of the code self-generating so that a first pass of the code runs to create the actual code that then runs to carry out the intended operation. Uses character codes and string manipulation combined with a val rather than normal JavaScript code to construct the actual code that would run. Obscuration is not by itself evil, but it can be used to try to hide an evil intent, and that is probably what Average was objecting to. It detected so much obscuration that it couldn't tell if the JavaScript was attempting to do something it was trying to prevent. As such, it declared the code as unsafe by default since it can't verify that the code seems okay.
Obfuscation refers to hiding the intended meaning of something. In this case, a clearly readable JavaScript snippet, such as, can be substituted by or even. All three code snippets do the exact same thing, but only reading the first will allow you to understand its intentions easily. Apparently, Average attempts to understand the purpose of JavaScript code before allowing its execution. When the code is obfuscated, Average will probably fail. Hence the warning. That being said, some websites obfuscate their JavaScript not because of evil intentions, but to make it difficult to steal their work. Obfuscation is usually useless if used for this purpose, but the point is that obfuscation doesn't necessarily mean bad intentions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.